Using the PDR and the products of model-based systems designing we have generated, we devise a plan for designing and developing the system or solution we have chosen. The PDR will serve us again when we finalize the design of our system. Here comes Definitive Hopcut to the rescue.
Preliminary Design Review. A design review which is conducted following the conceptual modeling and high-level design of the selected solution system.
Let us quickly go over the sections of the PDR. First, we create an inviting cover page for our PDR. Since it is not a short document, we want to encourage our managers and colleagues to read it. The cover page shall bear the name of the authors with their affiliations and the name and image of the product or system being developed. The next section explains the problem that has raised the need for the system. Here, you can use the problem occurring model you have created. The third section describes the purpose of your system. Here, ST, the top-level OPD of our model, can come in handy. The next section covers your assumptions and constraints concerning the intended system and the design and development process of the system. The fifth section concerns the alternative solutions you have considered, modeled, and compared. This section contains the solution and their models and explains the concept behind each solution and the criteria for evaluating and comparing them. Finally, the selected solution is presented and justified. In the next section, the selected solution with its complete OPM model is presented, along with explanations that are not explicit in the model. The seventh section contains cost estimates for the solution system throughout its life cycle, from the concept phase through architecting, detailed design, virtual and actual prototyping, production, fielding, use, service, and maintenance, and retiral or upgrade to the next generation. The complete OPM model from the previous section with cost attributes for the system components is a good starting point. The one before last section is a schedule for the system delivery project, including project milestones, dates for delivering parts or versions of the system, dates for paying specific costs, and other dates of interest and importance. Finally, we must outline the risks posed by the proposed system, both during its development and when it is finally operational. In principle, each risk must be mitigated. We must come up with ways to make sure risks do not cause the detrimental impact we think they could if they are realized. In OPM, like many systems engineering processes, risk analysis is also model-based. For each likely failure mode, devise a prevention or recovery mechanism such as monitoring and alerting or redundancy. Each such mechanism shall be included in the system model and its added cost shall be assessed. Considering the criticality of the failure and its effect on safety and security, if the price tag of the risk mitigation mechanism is higher than its estimated utility to prevent a failure, a decision can be made not to adopt it. Assessing these factors and weighing them requires a methodology and experience that is beyond the scope of our course.